Hello and welcome to PA Academy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to bisect an angle. So the first thing, let me draw an angle. So I've just drawn an angle here. So this principle also applies to just any angle, and when we talk about bisecting an angle, that means we want to divide this angle into two equal halves. So after you have your angle like this, you just pick your compass at any convenient length of your compass. So from the point where they are meeting, from the angle itself, you place your compass at that point, and then you draw an arc to cut both lines that form the angle. So let's call those 2 points, let's call this point A and let's call this point B. So yeah, with your compass again, you can decide to just increase the length a little. Just make sure it's something convenient depending on the size of the angle. But now with this length, I'll put it on point B. From point B, I'll draw an arc with the same length. With the same length, I'll also go to point A and also draw an arc. So where these two arcs meet, so the point where they meet, so with this now, this is the point where these two arcs meet. What I'll do is I'll draw it down, straight down to the center of that angle. And with this, we've been able to divide this angle. Let me call this point point O. This angle OAB, we've been able to divide it into two equal halves. So this is how you bisect a given angle. It works for just any angle. Thank you. So that is it for this video, and I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.